Hi everyone, my name's Nick Bergen, and I'm an instructor at RCC. I've been teaching there for probably about 5 years. I teach various economics courses, and I'm looking forward to the experience of this training. I've done this training before, but I'm doing this for recertification. I've created this little Prezi of me. Tells me a little bit about myself. I grew up in Indiana, got my bachelor's in economics, worked at the Federal Reserve Bank in St. Louis. I went to graduate school at Florida State University, little puppy dog Seminole. Worked for the Federal Florida Department of Education, where I was a consultant. Live currently in West Palm Beach, Florida. Hobbies, I enjoy going to Mexico and playing golf. Enjoy going to FSU football games as well. So that's a little bit about myself. And I'm looking forward to learning a little bit more during the recertification as well. Now, the course I'm teaching is economics. And in economics, we're going to be looking at, they're going to start with a master shell. So what I'm focused on is setting up the course in the way that there's a enrollment verification assignment. And through the assignment, I'm going to be looking at setting up the course, looking at the course objectives. Course objectives are going to be very important to align the course and what we're looking at. And when I do this, I'm going to have to make sure that I'm focused on developing assignments that go around those course objectives as well. So those are going to be some key areas to focus on. But in this, I'm going to have to make sure that I'm really going to be developing a course that's going to create interaction as well. So these are some of the things I'm going to be looking at in the training in this course that I'm taking.